This is the truth. If we just turn things upside down, we can't know God and feel His presence. I would be lying to you if I said that the Almighty wants to be your Father, that God has a plan for your life, that He wants to know you, that you are wanted, that you can be loved. But you must know you don't deserve any of this. And I'm convinced of this because I know the heart of man. We are forever separated from God. I refuse to believe under any circumstance that we could be loved by God right now. Because of our dependency on Christ, we have lost the connection to God. But there is so much more you don't know. This is the truth. God is holy and we are not. You should know that exactly the opposite is true. God is holy and we are not. This is the truth, that there's so much more that you don't know. We have lost the connection to God, but because of our dependency on Christ, we could be loved by God right now. I refuse to believe under any circumstance that we are forever separated from God. And I am convinced of this because I know the heart of man. You don't deserve any of this. But you must know that you can be loved, that you are wanted, and He wants to know you. That God has a plan for your life. The Almighty wants to be your Father. I would be lying to you if I said that you cannot know God and feel His presence. If we just turn things upside down. This is the truth.